cancel this. Which exit do I take?
Traction Avenue.
That'll take me downtown. I take 7, don't I?
Don't take 7!
Great! We missed it!
You asked me how to get there, and I told you. Exit at Traction.
That'll take me downtown.
He's coming up. Get in the right lane.
We don't exit at Traction!
You're gonna miss it!
Is everybody okay back there?
Super duper, Dad! Shoot it, I get it.
Wait here and stay here.
Well, what? I watch helplessly from the sidelines?
I'm asking you to wait with the kids.
And I'm telling you not to. With my husband, I'm with you. For better or worse.
I have to do this alone.
What is this to you? Playtime?
No.
So you can be Mr. Incredible again?
No.
Then what? What is it?
I'm not.
Not what?
I'm not strong enough.
Strong enough. And this will make you stronger?
Yes. No.
That's what this is? Some sort of workout?
I can't lose you again.